So we are still working with 6-CR West Reg, and now I get to be myself. So going to go into options here and changing it to my own name. I guess I can put my last name in there and go ahead and click OK. And now I'm going to open up the file. We are pretending that I am a manager who needs to look at the changes. So I'm going to go into review, and I'm going to go into track changes and highlight changes. And I need to change this when to not yet reviewed. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And you can see what that does right away. It kind of highlights the various changes that were made, and they're in different colors. And so basically what I'm going to do is kind of navigate through. Start up here on A1, and I can either accept or reject those changes. So to get this ball rolling here, we're going to click on track changes, accept and reject. And what we need for our settings for when would be not yet reviewed. That is correct. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. So then it's going to kind of go through each change, and as the manager, I can either accept or reject the change. So the first change that was made to C10. So it's basically asking me, do I want to accept this change or do I want to reject it? And so we are going to accept this one, and then it moves on to the next one. Now for the next one, they want us to reject it, so you can see what happens. If you reject it, it actually goes back to the original value. And let's see, for the next one, they want us to accept. And they want us to accept that one as well. Okay. And then we go up to our row 6 changes. And for the first one, they want us to reject it. Then for the one in F6, they would like us to accept. For I6, they want us to reject. And for L6, they want us to accept. Okay, so now we have gone through and reviewed all of the changes, and we can save our workbook. And then we can close it because you are done.